So tonight we're staying at the Rixwell Hotel in the centre of Riga, and I'll give you a full room tour. Come on. Nice little reception area. Many drinks. Old-fashioned fun. Three? Five. Open your door. That's what I thought it would do. So I'll give you the full room tour of this hotel in the centre of Latvia, and at the end I'll tell you what great value this is, and you can tell me if you think it's worth it too. Right, so as you come in, you can see there's the main door. Card goes in here, card goes in the slot. We've got some AC controls there, no smoking sign obviously, and then we've got a wardrobe here at the door. So you can see what's inside there. You've got a little safe. You could probably just about fit your laptop in there. We've got some extra things down here. What have we got? Oh, we've got some shoe kits in here. We've got wet shoe tissues, some shoe things, a bag, and at the top we've got an extra duvet there at the top. And what's on this side? This side you've got a few coat hangers. Down there we've got looks like an oil heater, and ironing board and iron as well. So yeah, you could kit yourself out well in here. And then over this side you've got coat hangers, mirror, full length mirror there. And on this side you've got the bed. Do a bed test in a minute, see how comfortable that is. Got two little, way, that's got a wobble on. Does it work? It does. It does work. Just about, it's a bit dull. We've got lamps here as well, and that's also a bit bashed. I've seen better days. Got old style phone down here. On here we've got two more glasses like in the bathroom, which I'll show you in a minute. We've got here 2-in-1 coffees. We've got some teas in here, royal tea, that's English tea. Got some cups there, and bottle opener, that might be needed. And then we've got a kettle. Let's have a look in that kettle, see how clean that is. Is that clean? You know what, it is, that's really clean. Nice little travel kettle. Another mirror on there. And then up here, we've got this huge TV. I don't know if you can see how big that is. That's quite big. You don't normally get them that size in these hotels. Right, let's do a TV test. See if that comes on. Seems to be coming on all right. Definitely thinking about it. Yeah, I've got some kind of cartoons on there, but picture looks good. Yeah, so I might need that later. And then we've got another unit here. This unit looks like quite old and dated. It's got ring marks on here and things like that. I don't really know what that's for. What would you use that for? Would you put clothes in there or bits and bobs, or I don't know. And you've got the chair in front of here. Chair and a desk. And on the side here, next to the bed, we have earplugs. Do all European places have earplugs, or are they just trying to tell us that it's going to be noisy tonight? I don't know, hopefully not. And then in this corner, we've got a fridge, see if there's anything in that fridge. Whoa, look at that. Now, that's what you call a full minibar. We've got these tiny little bottles in here. Tiny, tiny little bottles. What is that? Some peanuts in a little tin. And then there we've got some chocolate biscuits. You've got crisps. So there, chocolate, Cokes, a couple of beers, water, everything down there. And there is a price list on here. And you can see still water, €2, Coca-Cola, €2.50. So it's not, I mean, it's expensive, but it's not ridiculous. I think that's quite reasonable for a hotel. Now, on this side, we've got two comfy chairs, a little table in the middle. Now, I'll show you the artwork. We've got a original fine art painting in this room. Now, what do you think of that? I mean, Renaissance? I don't know. Very interesting. Yeah, that's original. Look at that. She's looking in the mirror at herself there. A little cherub looking down. Very interesting. So you can see the overall room is like really big. The carpet's not too worn. It's quite nice. I must say, it did have a bit of a strange smell in the corridor before you come into the room. Yeah, the corridor was smelled a bit weird, but the room itself smells okay. So now I'll show you something nice out here. We've got this great big curtain here. We've got two big windows. We've got a window at that side, and over here we've got a full length window at this side. But also, which is very nice, we've got doors out here which lead out, if I just open that, which lead out to the balcony. Now you can get a feel for the street down here and a vibe for what it's like. You can just step onto here. It's a bit wet and cold, but yeah, you can see the street down there and Riga rooftops, which is very nice, and a view down the street down there. So yeah, really nice. I mean, that would be pretty good in, could probably use that a bit more in summer. It'd be quite nice. Don't think we'll be using that at the moment because it's blooming Baltic out there, I can tell you. So yeah, so this room cost, I think it was €57, which was about, well, it was exactly £50, I think. I mean, it's a bit tired, this hotel, I would say, but for the centre of Riga, capital city, you know, 50 quid a night for a 4-star hotel. I'm not sure why it's 4-star. Breakfast's supposed to be good, so we'll check that out in the morning as well, and we'll see. But yeah, I think overall, pretty good value. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Right, so I'm going to give it a bed test, see how comfortable this is going to be. Fairly solid, but that's actually not that bad. I would give it a 7 out of 10. Right, let's check out this bathroom. Wait, is that all the lights? No, there we go. So, that's not bad. There's some nice little towels on there waiting for us. And on here, we've got a selection of shower cap, bath and body, things like that. Some nice little glasses on there, little serviettes. That looks good. Got a hairdryer over here. Is that? Yep, that works all right. Sink in the middle. Mirror up here. And then we've got, what's this, push? Looks like, oh God, that's like soap, oops. We've got a towel rail on there, toilet rolls, and then we've got this, we've got a shower over the bath. So this is all, looks like encased in here. If we can just, oh, that's quite stiff. Open that. Does it all open or is that it? So you've got to open this, then you've got to climb in from here, and then Make your way to the shower. It looks like standard kind of shower, like ordinary shower head on there. And yeah, little bin underneath. All nice and tidy, fairly clean. So yeah, pretty good. And also while you're relaxing in bed, you're sitting here taking in the view, you've got this amazing picture to look at. Perfect. Look at that little table and chairs there. Do you want to sit there in that corridor? It's a bit weird, isn't it?
That looks good.
Nice. Start with some coffee on the top. Omelette, sausages and eggs, boiled eggs. Beans. And pancakes.
Ending and you've lost your fight. Another tear ain't gonna make things right. The night is long, but there is hope inside. I bet she's got that fire burning bright. When you were young, without a fear to face, you fought the cold inside her warm embrace. Instead of feeling like a waste of space, just pack your bags and go. I'm heading home for the holiday.
What is it? New shoes are so hard to put on.